craving for chocolates, again the thank you card, please guys leave a review over Amazon. I'm giving them this wax sachet as a free gift. We have pretty much collected all the essentials that we need while packing this order, so let's pack this order with me. Today we have these two orders of candles. One is rich caramel and one is chocolate. Anytime you have cravings for that caramel flavor, you just lit the candle, have the smell, and you don't even have to eat the caramel for the, you won't have that extra fat. Oh my god, it's too good. And if you craving for chocolates, girl, you really need this chocolate candle. Oh my god, you just lit it in your room and then you don't have to eat chocolate, plus you're being satisfied as well. So first we have to cut these. जो जुगाड़ हमने करा है for the bagels.
This is business.
First I will cut these. जो कि इसका एक पार्ट हमें Amazon के ऑर्डर्स में उसके अंदर डालना होता है, एक पार्ट हमें बॉक्स के अंदर रखना होता है और एक बॉक्स के बाहर. Alright. So first हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? कैंडल्स हो गए हैं, the box and some thank you cards for my side. Please review डाल दिया करो guys Amazon पे. We really need that. I know you like our products because you are reordering them, but we really need the reviews as well. Then I'm putting business card where I mentioned what all things we give. Like we pack wedding event hampers, birthday gift hampers, baby shower hampers, festive gift boxes, corporate gift hampers, and self-care combos, of course. Alright, now let's start packing the order. Okay, it's really satisfying. Every time it's just the same thing, but I really love this job. Packing and creating these boxes. It really feels creative, I know. Alright, there we have our box. So first I will wrap up the candle. It's the rich caramel. You really need this honeycomb. I'm not using bubble wrap because it's plastic again, you don't even have to use it. So I'm using this honeycomb wrap. So of course, even if you throw it somewhere, it's biodegradable, it's not harming anyone at all. Alright, I'm putting the thank you card first, then I'm putting the business card, putting the candle into the box safely. Now, this one was rich caramel, right? So, who ordered rich caramel? Alright, this one is rich caramel. So, I'm putting the invoice in this box. Then finally, I have to wrap it up. Now what I have to do is cut it a little more. This thing I have to paste over the box so that the guy, he can find the address. Just sharing a few things. I will be packing it completely, safely. Alright. See? Look at this guys, we just packed one order. It's so simple. No, वैसे ही रख देंगे. Okay, now the chocolate one. Again, the same thing. Sword. Alright. Putting again the thank you card. Please guys leave a review over Amazon and our website as well. Now it's time for order is big. The most irritating thing, you don't find the end on the cap. Alright, I think I should give one free gift for the second order because they're ordering the second deodorant for us. Alright. So I think I'm giving them this wax sachet as a free gift. Let's pack the deodorant order with me now. Then it's really a playful thing to do. I love pet. Again, the card. Just wait a second, guys. Writing a message that I'm giving this as a free gift. And guys, don't think it's cheap, like 300 rupees. So yeah.